Hi, my name is Eloise Adams, and today I'll be presenting my Assessment 2 for EDC 175, Educators Inquiring About the World. My topic that I'll be talking to you about is clean water and sanitation in Nigeria. In Nigeria, it is estimated that 100 million Nigerians lack clean water and basic sanitation facilities. Did you know that it costs approximately $50 to get clean and drinkable water to just one household? And did you know that 3 in 5 people in Nigeria don't have a toilet of their own? It is thought that Nigeria have access to clean water because they have a lot of rivers and other above-ground resources that they should have easy access to clean drinkable water and sanitation. Though, unfortunately for them, this isn't the case. I have learnt that it is an expensive job to get clean water and basic sanitation to every household, though this is something that we here in Australia just take for granted. I couldn't imagine having to walk further than my kitchen to get drinkable water, or not having a toilet in my own home, or not even being able to wash my hands with just plain soap and water. But why do we take it for granted when not everybody has these luxury things? A large percentage of Nigeria has access to some kind of water, but it's just not clean or drinkable, and this is because of pollution and their waste dump sites. It is common to put waste into the rivers and streams as they don't know any different. Unfortunately, this means there is toxic chemicals throughout the water. Their underground water is the same due to seepage from the waste dump sites. Statistics say that 70% of water is being used around the world for farm irrigation. This is 70% of our clean, drinkable water. What you see on the screen are the impacts and problems. 50% of schools don't have access to a basic toilet. 30% of healthcare workers don't have access to a source of water on site. But with a better education system, we can help people in Nigeria understand why clean water and sanitation is important and how they can live a better life by having direct access to these items. By having good education in Nigeria means that the younger generation can learn from past mistakes and teach the elderly to live in a better way. What is being done to solve the problem? Nigerians have teamed up with a company called WaterAid. In 2018, Nigeria teamed up with this company. The government started a process of development to reach every house in Nigeria with clean, drinkable water and basic sanitation by 2030. But they need a lot of help to make their goal achievable. Something as small as a $50 donation could help them get one step closer and help a family have clean water in their house. What can be done in the future to solve the problem? Well, we can all help. Their government can help by putting in more funds into the project with WaterAid. Our government can help by donating money. Businesses can help by promoting individuals that they can help by donating the smallest amount. More than this, the world can help too. 70% of the world's clean, fresh water is farm irrigation. If even just Australia are able to help by putting an irrigation system in that allows only recyclable water, then we would be allowing the world to have an overall bigger water supply to work with. Thanks for listening.